If you're a space enthusiast, then you need to hear this. Scientists just captured the sun's mysterious sounds. Recently, scientists recorded the sun's unique sounds, chirps, hisses, and whooshes. How? A special probe ventured closer to the sun than ever before. Now in space, sound doesn't travel without air. So scientists converted the sun's electric and magnetic vibrations into sound waves. The result? A space symphony of solar activity. These sounds mainly come from the solar wind, charged particles ejected from the sun. Changes in pitch reveal solar temperature fluctuations and explosive events like coronal mass ejections. This groundbreaking discovery helps us understand solar dynamics better and predict space weather that can affect Earth. And it's not just for scientists. These sounds make solar research accessible and exciting for everyone. So plug in those headphones and hear the sun sing. It's a whole new way to connect with our universe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic wonders.